Technological innovation drives the transformation of heating element industry. LEST Lucky Grass Electrical Appliances leading the industry. Looking to the future, infinite possibilities. Less Lucky Grass Electrical Appliances to 1 million shipments per month. Gain market recognition. Continue to expand market share. Heating body and smart home. Cross-border integration of new energy vehicles and other industries. Can be applied to intelligent floor washing machines, steam mop, and other products. Bring a new experience to home cleaning in new energy vehicles. For in-car steam cleaning or thermal management systems, provide innovative solutions. The application boundary of heating elements is expanded. Intelligent Integration Green. It is the keyword for the future development of heating elements. The intelligence is reflected in the remote control, automatic monitoring, and other functions. Integration. The heating element will be more tightly integrated with other components. Reduce volume and cost. Committed to providing high-quality environmental protection intelligent products. Reduce after-sales risk. For the heating element problem, provide technical support and product after sales. Make customers worry-free. Heating industry to meet the challenges and opportunities. The future will be frequent innovation results. Let the Lucky Grass appliances continue to glow and heat up.